You know what? I'm no longer stressed about how to take all of my cute clothing when I travel. This is Yoyovac and it's a game changer. I love to travel and it used to drive me nuts that I couldn't bring all of my cute clothes in my carry-on. So I would either have to check my bag and worry if all of my cute clothes were going to make it on the same trip that I went on. Then I found Yoyovac and it's been the solution to my overpacked luggage and my travel stress. You know, traditional packing methods can be a real hassle with all the folding and the rolling, but my Yoyovac has really eliminated a lot of stress for me, and I can get everything that I need in this bag. I simply place my clothes in the bag, and I use the included vacuum to vacuum out all of the air. There are 24 pieces of clothing in this Yoyovac that I'm going to fit in my carry-on bag. With Yoyovac, you can compress your clothing by up to 90% in 60 seconds. This is an innovative top-open design, which makes packing a breeze. And there's no more wrestling with any zippers, and you don't have to manually pump the air out of a bag. This bag is waterproof, and it's made of a double-layer material that's tear-resistant, and it has airtight zippers. So that means that your belongings are going to stay safe and dry no matter what. I used to worry about lost luggage, but Yoyovac integrates the Apple Find My feature so you know where your bag is. You can connect Yoyovac to any Apple device. On the iPhone, just open the Find My app and connect it. Yoyovac is going to keep your clothes fresh and wrinkle-free. And be sure to get the Yoyovac now and take your travel to the next level.